Welcome to the RACSINFOTECH. We are going to start the fresh Oracle DBA and RAC DBA training batches from 9th April 2024 onwards. For more information, you can go through that post index, which I have placed on the anjaniappsdba.blogspot.com. I'll give you this complete details in a video description. For that, we are going to conduct the demo session, RAC DBA demo session. We are going to conduct on 6th April, 7:30 a.m. IST to 8:30 a.m. IST. So this weekend on Saturday, we are going to conduct the demo session for RAC DBA. So this is a Zoom link where we are going to invite all the interested members and professionals to join this demo session, and then you can ask your questions if you want to ask anything like related to the course, fees, how many days the course will be there, whether if you have any extra, other questions, you can feel free to ask us in the Zoom meeting. Okay. That is the course index I already placed in the my blog, Anjani Apps DBA blog spot. You can Google it directly, Anjani Apps DBA. You will get it. The first post in the March, I have posted Oracle DBA training. So here I have given complete the course index. What are the things, what are the topics we are going to cover as part of the core DBA thing. And RAC DBA also I have posted here the same. The blog, you can go through it. Original training is start from here, and course fee also I have mentioned, and contact information also I have provided. So all the what are the topics we are going to cover in RAC DBA course. So nowadays we have a market, those who are looking for the job opportunities, those who want to switch their career, like if they're working in different technical skill set, if they want to move to DBA side, market is there. This is the right time to take a decision and then join the course. So duration of this RAC DBA, we are giving for 35 hours now. It may be extended 5 hours extra, might be 40 hours, but minimum 35 hours for RAC DBA training. Daily 1 hour, that is on weekdays, Monday to Friday, we are going to conduct it. Okay, demo session we are going to conduct it on 6th April, 7:30 a.m. IST. Okay, if you want to discuss with more on this, how to register and what are the other things, if you want to ask, feel free to reach us on this number 9392634440 or racsinfotech@gmail.com. So once you have registered, the day one itself, when you have registered, like we are going to close the registrations by 6th of April. End of the 6th of April, we are going to complete the demo sessions for core database and RAC database courses. 6th of April, we are going to close the registrations. So ASAP, you can book that registrations via, you can reach out to me, directly call me, or reach out to my WhatsApp calls, WhatsApp messages available, or directly you can send a mail to this number. We will reach us. We will reach you and we will answer to your queries. Okay. Then WhatsApp group is there. You can join this WhatsApp group, and then there also we can discuss. And Telegram group, you can join directly clicking on this link, and then you can join our Telegram, RACSINFOTECH Telegram group, RACSINFOTECH WhatsApp group, and the blog where I have posted these details, and the YouTube channel. We have a YouTube channel there. We used to have 1.65K subscribers. So you can follow for the latest updates. And when you are going to giving the real time like trainings, when you are going to start the new batch, next batch, everything you can get it from here itself. Okay. We used to have 24/7 kind of support on WhatsApp, or you can reach me on mail. We will see it. Once we saw your mail, we will respond it back to you. That's all about this Oracle DBA. We will discuss more on the demo session, like RAC DBA and Oracle DBA, how the job market is there. Who can join, who can learn. It's for everyone, guys, not only for the coding background, non-coding background people also, they can learn. So few people are waiting for the job opportunities. They are trying with their skill set. They learn something, one course or two courses, and they are keep on trying the job. They are not getting the jobs and all. I saw a couple of profiles, and also I received a couple of requests. They tried to get in so on technology, and their last 6 to 7 months they are not getting the job. So it's very pathetic, right? That is not that much of like Oracle DBA, RAC DBA, you will get the job. I can assure it. And we are going to train you guys like a job oriented training. So if you are a fresher, if you have an education gap in your career, like or else if you have a career gap, you have worked 1 year or 2 years, and then you have some 2 to 3 years career gap. You want to restart your career, then you can reach us raxinfotech@gmail.com or the number which I provided here. You can reach us. I'll guide you on this part. So up to 20 to 25 lakhs per annum, you will get it very easily as part of this one. If you are going beyond that, you need to put a lot of efforts to get it. 30 lakhs or 35 lakhs or 40 lakhs, you need to put a lot of effort, like you need to learn some other skill sets. So we will discuss those things also. But up to 20 LPA, I'm sure if you're having 3 years experience or 4 years experience, or else you don't have any experience, you want to learn, and then you have to keep some kind of like a backup of that, or else you want to fulfill your gaps, we will guide you on that part as well. Okay, you are working for the single any one of that company last 4 years. You are working, you are not like getting anything, the salary and all. 4 years. So some of the candidates I mean received the request. They have 4 years of experience. The CTC is 4 LPA, 4 lakhs per annum. That is like it is not matchable, right? Nowadays the market, we need to be a competitors and we need to be a competing skill set, right? So that also we are going to guide you how to achieve that amount, like how we are going to ask how much amount I need to ask that HR according to your experience, the skill set. So for RAC and Oracle DBA, those who are going to learn it, if you are having 4 years of experience after you completed this course, you can demand up to 20 LPA with 4 to 5 years experience. That is there, like you want to get the salaries and you want to get a job easily in a market, contact RACSINFOTECH, we will help you on it. Okay, not only the freshers, even experienced persons also they can reach us, we will guide you to get it. And also somebody is having career gap, as I said, right? You have a previous 1 year experience, 2 years experience, now you want to again start your career in IT, reach us, we will help you, and then you will get a job in the market. Okay, 6th of April we are going to conduct the demo session. One is morning, another one is evening. 7:30 a.m. we are going to discuss about the RAC DBA training. What are all the topics we are going to cover, what is the job market, and the salary, how we are going to get it compared to the other skill set. Okay, that is one thing. And 7:30 p.m. IST, 7:30 p.m. same day, 6th April, 7:30 p.m. IST. We are going to discuss about the Oracle DBA job market and the course. What are the topics we are going to cover? This course duration is 40 hours. Within 40 hours, we can complete Oracle DBA. Another 35 to 40 hours, we can complete RAC DBA. So if you have learned both the things, it's very easy to shortlist your profile to get a job opportunities. As I said, up to 20 LPA, you can easily get it. Easily get it. 20 LP means 20 lakhs per annum salary, you will get it. Okay, then if you are registering for both the courses, I'll give you some discounts as well. Those we will discuss in one-on-one, what I can say, one-on-one chat or communication. You can reach us on this number or this mail ID. Okay, the same thing. The course index I already posted in my blog. There you can able to get it. What are all the topics we are going to cover as part of DBA training? It is very, very easy training. Anybody can able to learn within 80 hours. I can say within 45 to 2 months, like 45 days to 60 days. You can learn. After that, you need to practice at least 1 month or 2 months. You have to practice dedicatedly. Then you can get it a job very, very easily in the market. Like we will help you. What are all the questions they are going to ask? What type of activities you are going to perform on day to day, and which topics you need to focusing on more. What is the career like growth? So we are going to guide you each and everything, how to prepare the CV and all. So we are going to discuss, like you can join the WhatsApp group, same thing, Telegram or a blog. Follow me on this blog or YouTube channel. You can subscribe for the more upcoming events and knowledge sharing related to the Oracle DBA, RAC DBA, Apps DBA, all this cloud knowledge, performance tuning related things, everything. You're used to get it on my YouTube channel, RACSINFOTECH. Even in the Google, you can try it at the rate RACSINFOTECH. You will get the channel directly. Or Anjani Apps DBA Blogspot, you can get it. Okay. So registrations we are going to close by 6th April, end of the day. So those who are interested, reach out to me and then we will discuss further processes and other things. Once you have registered, suppose you registered today, I'll give you the previous session recording session access today and the day 9th of April where we are going to start the live sessions. That day I'm going to provide you the live session access. Before that, you are going to see previous batch recording. This is an end at the March end, like recently closed batch. So March 28th is the last which we have completed the batch. So those latest videos you will get it completely. Meanwhile, you can go through it from 9th April onwards. We are going to provide you the new batch. We are going to create it and then we will add your IDs over there. You will access old and new videos. So this we are going to provide it. So yeah, that's all about this. And the 6th April, you can reach, you can connect this Zoom meeting IDs as per the scheduled time. We are going to connect for the demo sessions. Thank you guys.